Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a topic about IoT protocols in the Internet of Things. So, as you already know, what is meant by Internet of Things? Internet of Things are embedded with sensors, software connectivity to communicate with each other and the larger systems. It enables automation. Next is IoT protocols. The protocols of the Internet of Things technology stack are essential, as without them the hardware would be rendered useless and the data communication would be a challenge one. IoT protocol by definition and vision. IoT protocol first aim to connect devices to IoT devices over seamless and secure connection. Now, IoT protocols operate on four pillars, that is, first thing the device, next is the connectivity, next the data and analytics. Their defense and depth security strategy shields the data transmission layer by layer. While the business layer includes the management of billing and data marketplaces, the people who interact with IoT devices and technology fall under the technology user layer. So, the device layer comprises a combination of sensors, hardware, actuators, software and gateways, constituting a device that connect and interact with a network. The data layer involves the data that is collected, processed, stored and analyzed within the business context. IoT protocol connection models. So, coming to this, there is no set pattern for data routing and the communication is highly dependent on the network topology. However, fundamental models are used either as standalone or in combination for IoT deployments. So, first thing is device to device communication, next is connection model device to gateway, next is device to data, and the next is gateway to data, next is communication between the data. Coming to IoT protocol connection model, first the device to device. What is the thing happening in this? It enables communication between nearby devices using IoT protocol like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, 4G communication, 5G and Wi-Fi. Next is a device to gateway. So in this model, the devices communicate with the data system using a mediator platform such as LP1, Wi-Fi, Ethernet or IoT protocols. These functions of device to gateway or combining data from sensor, it will analyze it and routing it to a destination data system. Also, in a case of any problem, the connection model send back the data to a source device. Next is IoT protocol connection model. First, the device to data. How it is working in, it work on edge computing, allowing devices to connect directly with the data source. A few device to data connection model only include BLE, Bluetooth low energy and LoRaWAN and Z-Wave. Gate to data. So in this, it is the simplest communication model between the mediator platform or central hub and the data center or cloud. Open source software and the universal data connector are the best examples of robust IoT gateways. So coming to connection between data, the protocol connection model allows data transmission between data center and the cloud. It includes IoT data protocol like MQTT, HTTP and REST, etc. Here is a diagram network given. For in IoT network protocol, we are using LoRaWAN, Bluetooth, Zigbee. In data protocols, we are using only HTTP, MQTT, COAP and AMQP. Next, coming to the title, types of IoT protocols. So IoT protocol and standards are broadly classified into two separate categories, including IoT data protocol that have presentation or application layer and network layer for comprising data link and physical layers. So coming to IoT data protocol, it is broadly classified into advanced message queuing protocol AMQP. Next is the data distribution service, extensible managing and presence protocol, WebSocket and open platform Communication Unified Architecture, QPC-UA. Next, coming to IoT network protocol, so we'll have Bluetooth energy. Next is cellular 4G or 5G, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi low power wide area networks, LPWANs, Zigbee, Z-Wave, extensible messaging and presence protocol, XMPP. Next is these protocols established end-to-end communication between low-power IoT devices and hardware at the source, client or user side only wired or cellular networks. IoT data protocols function without an internet connection. So these are the AMQP, data distribution service, extensible messaging, presence protocol, WebSocket, open platform communication, unified architecture. So these network protocols, these protocols constitute specific standards, policies. They have unified rules to establish a secure communication between IoT devices over the internet. With emerging advancements in IoT ecosystem, these protocols utilize multiple technologies that work on network topology. The most widely used are star and mesh topology. This following are extensively used in IoT. Already we seen last slide. Bluetooth energy, cellular 4G and 5G, Wi-Fi, LPWAN, Zigbee, Z-Wave, XMPP. Now, benefits of IoT wireless protocol. Now, IoT protocol form a crucial component of IoT infrastructure. They serve higher data throughput with lesser complexities. Wireless IoT protocol have become the first choice solution for personal and industrial usage. The rising demand for wireless protocol is because of the core benefits. So what are the benefits? Let us know. Affordability. Next is less time and energy consumption. Robust security and data privacy. Easy setup and deployment in the IoT infrastructure. Automated and streamlined communication. Faster data transfer and smoother operations. Good network coverage and connectivity. Simple to use while resulting in enhanced productivity. Coming to IoT protocol layers. So how it works? IoT work on various networking technologies based on its infrastructure requirement. So it needs architecture to establish the IoT's ecosystem. What are the layers we know? First is a network layer. Next is the application layer. Next is perception layer. Next security. Next is edge layer. So these are 5 types of IoT layer, protocol layers: network, application, perception, security and edge. So from this, it should be noted that a safe and effective device management is a keystone to the sustainable and development and management of IoT networks worldwide. The communication, data sharing and usage of information by intelligent devices happen in a full stack IoT ecosystem. Next is a unified global protocol standardization thus become crucial to eliminate IoT fragmentation and potential security threats. So these are the question forum. What are the 4 main pillars on which IoT protocol operate? Explain the device to gateway connection model and mention 2 protocols used in this model. Differentiate between IoT data protocol and IoT network protocols with examples. State any 3 benefits of wireless IoT protocol. List the 5 layers of IoT architecture discussed in the presentation. Thank you.